So you see the center here aligns to the other center. Let me put it where so that you see. I believe you can see the two barrels I mark here and here. They align to each other, so I'm on the right side. If you sew and they didn't align to each other, it means you're going to have either excess or shortage at the other side. Okay. So we're already at the other side of it. Let's come back stitches and we are done with this. Always trim off your excess threads. So at this point, okay, this is it. This is inside of the bag. At this point, we'll sew the final sewing, which is attaching this to the main body panel. Your attachment should start where the folding, the first cut is. I believe you can see it. So I'll place it here. You can always use your pen to mark, though it's already marked before we cut. You place it there and sew it down the same way you did on this panel, and always make sure that the center aligns to the center here. Always make sure. Okay, so let's go. So when you get to this corner here, it's somehow tricky, so you try as much as you can to turn it, sew it to the shape and keep turning it. If your leather is too strong, it might not really be easy for you to, you know, manage, but you just have to try your best. Okay. So when you get to this other end, you also make your back stitches, and our beauty bag is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our page on Facebook at Cee Jay Creative World. Follow us on Instagram, and always share our posts, please. Wow, what a beautiful beauty bag. This is beautiful, just as the name implies, beautiful. So at this point, I will attach the second part of the magnetic lock. I just put it this way. Make sure I close the bag. In most cases, you may need to put something inside, you know, so that you don't fix it, and when there is something inside, there'll be an issue. But this is it. I'll make a crease here. I'll put it in, attach the washer from the inside. Okay, as you can see, attach the washer this way, then press it down. Okay, choose the chain. I pick my chain. I like using quality chains like this. Try to open it up and press it down with the plier. Use your plier to press it down and make sure it's well locked. You do the same on the other side of it. So finally, our beauty bag by Cee Jay Creative World is ready. This is beautiful bag. Wow, I love the outcome. Thank you and God bless you. for watching.